So today's first question is asked by Shashank Shekhar. He's asking, as a beginner in front-end coding, should one learn how to work on Dreamweaver? How useful is it today? Shashank, to be very frank, I heard the name or I read the name of Dreamweaver after a long time. Last I heard or used it a little bit was in 2011 or 10, I guess, when I was trying to design an website. Probably not even in 2010-11, it was probably in 2004-5 or 6-7. I exactly, frankly speaking, I exactly don't remember the year, but it was way back, I would say, in my early days of my career, I would say. So for those who don't know what Dreamweaver is a proprietary software by Adobe. So it's a Adobe product for creating websites, and it is kind of a drag and drop HTML web designer, something like Front Page, Microsoft Front Page, I think. And nowadays both of these are not seen much in the picture, because most of the designers prefer to do designing using tools like simple tools like HTML, like Notepad, or some other tools like Visual Studio Code is much more popular than these. Of course, Visual Studio Code is not a drag and drop designer like Front Page or like Dreamweaver. But the thing is that both of these, it's known that both Dreamweaver as well as Front Page add lot of CSS and JavaScript code. Some people also say that it make the page or HTML page pretty bloated. So because of those reasons, people has stopped using it pretty much. But I'm not very much sure about it. So my suggestion for you would be that for a beginner front-end coding, Dreamweaver is not the way to go. I think you should first focus on learning about the regular things which is there, like HTML, CSS. So maybe you should learn about Bootstrap framework. Maybe you should learn about Material framework design if you are going to learn about CSS. And if you are going to learn about JavaScript, then probably you should learn about JavaScript concepts, how to implement JavaScript animations and all those things. Or you can learn about any front-end framework like Angular, React. So those kind of frameworks you can learn about. So how useful it is today, frankly speaking, it has been a while since I heard the name of Dreamweaver. So I would say that it's not that much pretty useful because of licensing and all those things. It is useful in the companies which have their licenses and they are using it extensively, which I find very rare, to be very frank. So I don't find it much useful, but that is my opinion. So don't go on my opinion, just maybe you can do some more research, and if you find it useful and if you get a job regarding that, then it's fine. But if you ask me, then my suggestion for you would be to stick to the basics or stick to the regular or conventional front-end things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, rather than a tool like Dreamweaver or Front Page. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye-bye.